Python program to check if a triangle of a given size exists. So that means we are going to first of all enter the length, the length of the three sides of a triangle. So we impute each side and convert it to floats. So after that, we apply conditional statement. We add the two sides and compare it with the hypotenuse. That's what I'm doing here. So if the addition of the two sides is greater than the hypotenuse, the triangle exists. But if the addition of the two sides are not greater than the hypotenuse, that means the triangle does not exist. So the two adjacent sides must be greater than the hypotenuse. So that's the rule. The two sides must be greater than the hypotenuse to know whether the triangle exists or not. So let me cancel this and run it. Let's run and see what we done. So if I enter 5 for A, 3 for B, C, I enter 2. So it will tell me that it's not existing. It's because of the addition of the two adjacent sides must be greater than the hypotenuse. So if I enter 3 and 4 and the hypotenuse side is 5, that means it exists. So that's how to write a program to check whether a triangle exists or not. In the triangle, these two sides, the two adjacent sides must be greater than the hypotenuse. The two adjacent sides, if added, must be greater than the hypotenuse.